Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina and you're watching the calendar of the latest financial events from ИнстаФорекс. In the early half of the week, financial markets will keep abreast of the following macroeconomic events. On Monday, Germany will unveil its trade balance data for July. The trade surplus is seen to have risen to 16.8 billion euro. In June, the trade surplus declined to 16.5 billion euro from 17.8 billion in the previous month. Meanwhile, experts had anticipated the indicator to climb to 18.9 billion. Germany boosted its exports by 0.9%. Imports grew by 4.5%, thus marking the record increase since November of 2010. The data indicates that German exports are not only shipments to Russia, but also shipments to the United States and the UK, which have growth momentum. However, the conflict in the Ukraine has direct influence on Germany's economy. Meanwhile, the United Kingdom will report its July industrial production numbers. Analysts say the indicator rose by 0.2% on month. In the prior month, the UK factory output increased by 0.3% from the month earlier and rose by 1.2% from a year ago. Economist forecasts suggested a 0.6% monthly increase. In recent months, industrial production across Europe remained subdued, which is, according to analysts, the result of tensions in Ukraine and the Middle East. On Wednesday, Japan will disclose its final GDP figures for the second quarter. Analysts are calling for preliminary figures showing a 6.8% decline to be confirmed. This reading was the lowest since 2011, when an earthquake and tsunami swept Japan. Such contraction can be explained by reduction in consumer spending on the back of higher sales tax. Meanwhile, analysts had expected the Japanese GDP to contract by 7.1%. In the first quarter, Japan's growth was revised down to 6.1% from 6.7%. In addition, the following events will be released in the early part of the week. On Monday, China will unveil its trade balance report. In Canada, July building permits report will be out. On Tuesday, the Bank of Japan will unveil its meeting minutes and Australia's central bank will release its business confidence report. In the UK Parliament, hearings on inflation will take place. On Wednesday, Germany will provide its consumer price index report and France will release its industrial production data. And this concludes the latest financial calendar prepared for you by our InstаФорекс team. See you next week. Bye.